Hi, this is Andre from Adacor. Today we're going to be taking a look at the programming instructions for the DIY RC controller. So first thing you're going to want to do is go to adacor.com and go to the RC controller page. Product code is AD517. Go ahead and scroll down to the bottom of the page and there's a link to Adacor's Github page where we keep all the software versions for all of our products. Go ahead and click on that. And then we're going to want to download this. Pull down the code button and hit download zip. And then we're going to go to the downloads folder. Let's expand that zip file out. And then to make it easier, we're going to go ahead and put that file inside the Arduino code directory, which is in your documents folder. And if you don't already, you're going to need to have the Arduino IDE installed. So you can go to arduino.cc and there are all the different installer packages for the different OSs, so you can pick whichever one works for your system. So let's go ahead and fire up the IDE. And if we go File, Sketchbook, there is the controller. Let's click that. Now we're going to need to install the library that works with this. So we have a description of the library and a link to the GitHub page for the library in the code, so you can install it that way. But an easier way is to go up to Tools and go to Manage Libraries, and then search for, in this case, it is the NRF24L01 library. Now there's a bunch of libraries where that keyword's going to come up, but we want this one right here that's RF24 by TMRH20. So click the install button, and that'll download the library, put it in the correct location. This is a better way to do it because if there is an update, Arduino will notify you so you can go ahead and choose whether to update the library or not. Next, you're going to want to set up the board type. We have a description of the board type here. So you're going to go to Tools, and you're going to set the board as an Arduino Pro or Pro Mini, and you're going to set the processor type as an ATmega 328P, and you want the 5-volt 16 megahertz option. Now, plug in your RC controller. Now, plug in the USB for your RC controller. And Windows is going to assign it a COM port. The easiest way to figure out which COM port it's assigned is to go to the Device Manager, and under the Ports area, you want to find the entry that says Silicon Labs CP210X. And in this case, it's assigned COM4. So we're going to go back to the Arduino IDE, and under Tools, you're going to select COM4. Now you're ready to program the DIY RC controller. Go up to Sketch, select Upload. This will compile the code and then upload it into the controller. When it says Done Uploading, you can go to Tools, Serial Monitor. Make sure your baud rate is set at 19200, and you'll see the DIY RC controller talk back over the COM port and say which controller version it's running. And in this case, it's 1.1, which is the same version that we just programmed in here. Well, that's it for the programming instructions for the DIY RC controller. If you've got any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below and we'll answer them. Thank you.